Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file a DBA in Virginia. First, let's understand what a DBA is and why it's crucial for your business. A DBA, or doing business as, allows your business to operate under a name distinct from its legal registered name. This is particularly important for sole proprietorships and general partnerships, though corporations and LLCs might also use one for branding. Knowing if your business structure requires this filing is the very first step. Once you understand the need for a DBA, the next step is choosing a name. You'll want a unique business name that aligns with Virginia's specific naming regulations. After selecting a few options, it's critical to perform a thorough name availability search. You can do this through the State Corporation Commission's website. This step ensures your chosen name isn't already in use by another registered business, preventing potential legal issues down the line. With your unique name secured, it's time to complete the official paperwork. You will need to fill out the Certificate of Assumed Name form. Make sure to provide all required information accurately, including your business type, principal address, and the names of all owners. Once completed, submit this form to the Virginia State Corporation Commission. The filing fee is typically $50, and you can usually pay by check or money order. Filing your DBA is a great start, but maintaining its accuracy is equally important. You must keep your DBA information current with the State Corporation Commission. If your business name, address, or ownership details change, you'll need to file an amendment promptly. While Virginia DBAs generally do not expire, ensuring your information is always up to date prevents future complications and maintains your business's legal standing.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.